वेलकम बैक लर्नर्स। आज हम फिर से 5 नए इंग्लिश वर्ड सीखने वाले हैं जो आपकी स्पोकन इंग्लिश को नेक्स्ट लेवल तक ले जाएगी। क्या कभी आपने बिना शब्दों के किसी के इमोशन को समझा है या कभी किसी की छोटी सी हेल्प ने दिखाया हो कि वो कितना अच्छा इंसान है? Well, today's words will help you express such deep meanings better. So, let's get started. आज के हमारे 5 वर्ड्स है deduce, imperceptible, solidarity, every now and then, and last one, speak volumes. Now let's start with word meanings and explanation. Number 1, deduce means to come to a conclusion based on reasoning or evidence. तर्क और प्रमाण के आधार पर किसी निष्कर्ष पर पहुंचना. Examples: From his wet clothes, I deduced that it had been raining. The detective deduced that the thief had escaped through the window. Second, imperceptible means so slight or subtle that it is almost unnoticeable. इतना हल्का या सूक्ष्म कि उसे महसूस ना किया जा सके. Examples: His smile was imperceptible, but I knew he was happy. Second example: The temperature drop was imperceptible, but she still felt cold. Third, solidarity means unity or mutual support within a group. एकता या आपसी सहयोग. Examples: The workers showed solidarity by protesting together. During tough times, two friends stand in solidarity with each other. Fourth, every now and then means occasionally, from time to time. कभी कभी या बीच बीच में. Examples: I call my childhood friend every now and then to check on him. Second example: She likes to go for a walk every now and then when she gets free time. Fifth, speak volumes means to express a lot without saying much. बिना शब्दों के बहुत कुछ प्रकट करना. Examples: His tears spoke volumes about his pain. The kindness in her actions spoke volumes about her character. Now it's time for English conversation using today's words. Ria, did you see how all the students stood in solidarity with their teacher when he was unfairly accused? क्या तुमने देखा कि सारे छात्र अपने शिक्षक के साथ एकजुटता से खड़े हो गए जब उन पर गलत आरोप लगाया गया? अमन, yes, it really spoke volumes about their respect for him. हाँ, इससे उनके प्रति उनके सम्मान को बिना कुछ कहे ही दिखा दिया. Ria, I was watching their expressions carefully and I deduced that they were truly upset. मैंने उनके हाव भाव को ध्यान से देखा और निष्कर्ष निकाला कि वह सच में परेशान थे. Aman, absolutely. The teacher's sadness was almost imperceptible, but you could feel it in his voice. बिल्कुल, शिक्षक की उदासी अदृश्य थी लेकिन उसकी आवाज़ में महसूस की जा सकती थी. Ria, I hope this issue resolves soon. Anyway, let's meet every now and then to discuss such important topics. मुझे उम्मीद है कि ये मुद्दा जल्द सुलझ जाएगा. वैसे चलो कभी कभी ऐसे ज़रूरी मुद्दों पर चर्चा करने के लिए मिलते हैं. So now it's time for a short story using today's words. It was a chilly evening and Ananya sat at her desk thinking about the recent protest at her university. The students had shown immense solidarity against the unfair rules, proving that their voices mattered. As she scrolled through news articles, She deduced that the administration was planning changes, but it was still unclear. The shift in their decisions was almost imperceptible, but she had a feeling that something big was coming. Every now and then, she checked her phone, waiting for an update. Finally, a notification popped up. University agrees to revise policies. Her heart raced. This small victory spoke volumes about the power of unity and determination. The students had won. तो दोस्तों, आज हमने 5 नए वर्ड सीखे जो कि हमारे इंग्लिश को और भी ज़्यादा पावरफुल बना सकती है। इन वर्ड का यूज़ डेली लाइफ में करना बिल्कुल भी मत भूलें। कल मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में नए वर्ड्स के साथ। तब तक के लिए कीप लर्निंग एंड कीप ग्रोइंग। बाय बाय।